Fox 35 exclusive right now. A mother wants answers. The person accused of killing her son was already let out of jail.
19-year-old Nathaniel Jennings was gunned down on Mother's Day in downtown Melbourne. Now, the suspect's charges were upgraded, but his bond was not. Fox 35's Esther Bauer is live tonight in Melbourne. Esther, that could still happen, though.
Luann, the state does want to increase the suspect's bond, but has to argue that in court. The state was able to upgrade these charges when small businesses here in the area near this bar shared new surveillance video with them showing what led up to the shooting. Here you can see a memorial is still in place for Nathaniel Jennings, and this victim's mother says the shooting suspect should not be allowed to walk the street. This urn and priceless pictures are all Autumn Minnick has left of her son.
He had his whole life ahead of him, and he was working very, very hard to be a good man and to be successful. And he was going to start his sophomore year of college playing football. The 19-year-old never made it to his sophomore year. Nathaniel Jennings will never put on this football jersey and helmet again, and now his mom can't move forward. It's just not fair that he's out there and my son is dead. Her son's accused killer, Stephen DeJuiced, posted a $100,000 bond for manslaughter back in May. Several weeks later, the state attorney upped his charges to second-degree murder because of new evidence, but his bond never changed. If you can up a charge and that person can still walk free on a lesser charge, that's not a good law. They need to change that law. They need to fix that law. A state attorney spokesperson tells Fox 35 in this circuit, defendants who have already posted bond are not rearrested and jailed for the same incident when the state attorney's office decides to file enhanced charges. Autumn says she's worried about public safety. It's a very big concern for the community, and I feel like the community should be upset as I am about this. The suspect's attorney argues he isn't a threat. In a statement sent to Fox 35, his defense says, "We strongly disagree with the increased charges and believe raising his bond is unjustified. Mr. DeJuiced has no criminal history and poses no danger to the community. Melbourne has extensive surveillance cameras, and we have requested that all video footage be preserved. We expect this footage to show that Mr. DeJuiced acted only in self-defense." And the state says the earliest date they could get a bond hearing on the books is August 7th. Autumn says she absolutely plans to be there and will continue fighting for justice for her son. If this suspect is found guilty, he could face life behind bars. Reporting live in Melbourne, Esther Bauer, Fox 35 News.
Esther, thank you.